Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lacey and today is another day, guys. We are going to clean with me. It's a clean motivation video. And guys, as you can see, the house is in a mess, but in a few hours the house will be awesome. Actually nishaanza kufua nguo, nimebakisha like 2 bunches, and here I am doing the laundry. Yeah, so guys, hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? Cause you're in my you're the love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be here, so my story. Where dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Your fingers tell me so. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my
Yes, so guys, hapa nimemaliza kufua nguo, naosha vyombo ndo niweze kuosha hao. And yeah guys, hope you are enjoying this video. Guys, I am manifesting for a new, what do you call, a washing machine, guys, and I know God will come through. So yeah, let's continue with the video.
we've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I
Yeah, guys, it took almost 5 hours to finish up with all this, doing laundry, washing utensils, and cleaning the house. And guys, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.